Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw numbers 1 to 20. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, green color, green color, brown color, brown color, yellow color, yellow color, blue color, blue color, black color, black color. Kids, now you draw one and use red color. 1, 2, 3. Kids, now you draw 4. Kids, now you draw 4 and use green color. 4, 5, 6, 7. So now you draw 8 and use brown color. 8, 9, 10. Kids, so now you draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color. 11, 12. Kids, so now you draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use blue color. 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15. The numbers of 15 and use black color. Black color. 15, 16. Kids, now you draw 17. The numbers of 17 and use red color. Red color. 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use green color. 19. And lastly, draw 20. 20. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.